The question is, a lady has only 25 paisa and 50 paisa coins in her purse. If she has 50 coins in totaling rupees 19.50, then how many coins of each kind does she have? A lady have only 25 paisa coin and 50 paisa coin in her purse. So we can take X as 25 paisa coin. X as 25 paisa coins and Y as 50 paisa coins. Now the total number of coins she has is 50. Total number of coins is 50. That is X plus Y is equal to 50. This is marked as equation 1. Now totaling the entire coins, she has rupees 19.50. That is 19.50. Then I will multiply it with 100. That is 1950. That is 25x plus 50y is equal to 1950. Now divide the entire equation by 25. That is x plus 2y is equal to 78. This is marked as equation 2. Now we will get two linear equations. We need to solve these two linear equations. Then we will get the answer. X plus y is equal to 50 and x plus 2y is equal to 78. Now subtracting, we will get y is equal to 28. Now substitute the value of y in any of the equations. We will get x plus 28 is equal to 50. That's equal to x is equal to 50 minus 28. That's equal to 22. So that is, in the purse there are 22 25 paisa coins and 28 50 paisa coins. That is x is equal to 22 and y is equal to 28. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in Maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in Maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.